Hey guys, look at all the seagulls and the jetty. Look at him, guys. It's closed now, the jetty. Look. How come? Anyway. Yes. The usual spot, guys. Yeah, I'm here for my afternoon walk. I'm going to have a 2 hour walk today because it's gonna be raining tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. So today is the 25th of June 2025. Alright guys, see how dark it is now? It's only 10 to 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and look how dark it is. It's gonna be a heavy rain tomorrow, guys. See guys, so look at these lovely seagulls, guys. I'll get you closer to it. Look at them, guys. It's like they're queuing. Whoa. Lovely, guys. There's one here. So close with one leg, I guess. Just a one leg. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Cool. Love it, guys. See you on my next vlog, guys. Thank you for watching.